Is your Xiaomi smartwatch dying before the day is even over? Don't worry, because I have the 10 best solutions to stop the drain and double your battery life right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually, your battery drains fast because of high-frequency heart rate monitoring, or background apps constantly searching for a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Let us fix this fast. Step 1 is to adjust your heart rate monitoring frequency. Change it from every 1 minute to every 30 minutes in the app settings. This single change can save up to 20% of your battery every day. Step 2 is to turn off the always-on display. Keeping those pixels lit up is the biggest battery killer on any smartwatch. Use the raise to wake gesture instead to keep the screen dark when you are not looking at it. Step 3 is to lower your screen brightness and timeout duration. Set your brightness to 50% and your screen timeout to 5 seconds. Every extra second the screen stays on pulls power from the tiny battery. Step 4 is to disable unnecessary notifications. Go into the MyFitness app and turn off alerts for apps like YouTube or Instagram. Only keep the essentials like calls and texts to prevent the vibration motor from firing constantly. Step 5 is to turn off auto stress tracking. This feature uses infrared sensors throughout the day, which generates heat and drains power. Turn it off and only take manual readings when you actually need them. Step 6 is to manage your GPS settings. If you are not outdoors running, make sure your workout tracking is completely stopped. GPS is a massive power draw that can empty a full battery in just a few hours. Step 7 is to switch to a darker watch face. Since most Xiaomi watches use AMOLED screens, black pixels actually turn off and consume zero power. Avoid bright and colorful animated faces. Step 8 is to turn off blood oxygen or SpO2 monitoring during sleep. This sensor uses a bright red light that runs all night long. Disabling this can give you an extra day of usage per charge. Step 9 is to check for software updates. Sometimes, a buggy firmware version causes the processor to stay awake. Ensure both your watch and the phone app are running the latest version. Step 10 is to perform a monthly reboot. Turn the watch off and back on again to clear out stuck background processes. This simple habit keeps the system memory clean and efficient. Here's a quick bonus tip for you. If your battery is still dropping fast, try unpairing and repairing the watch. This resets the Bluetooth handshake and often fixes hidden synchronization loops that eat up power. If you face any difficulty with these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. If this video helped you save your battery, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your watch should last as long as you do.